Chef Justin Timoneri here with Fresh from Florida, coming at you from my home in the capital city. We want to talk a little bit today about Florida agriculture. You know, our farmers, fishermen, and ranchers are working extremely hard to make sure we have a safe, nutritious, and delicious food source all year round. So I was recently at the grocery store and I found all these wonderful Florida-grown items with a Fresh from Florida seal on them. Florida tomatoes, eggs, blueberries, corn, strawberries, and peaches. Today, we're talking about Florida sweet corn. Florida sweet corn is in season now and it is delicious. We have lots of recipes utilizing Florida sweet corn on our website. Follow freshfromflorida.com. Today we cooked up a couple simple and delicious recipes for you guys to check out. We have our Florida sweet corn and sweet red pepper and smoked sausage succotash, kind of a southern dish. We give it a little twist with a little bit of hot sauce and lemon juice. Really great side dish. It'll go well with fish or shrimp, any kind of protein you want to put it with. We also roasted some of our whole Florida sweet corn and did it kind of Mexican street style. We roasted it good in our grill pan and seasoned it up well. And then once it cooled off just a little bit, we spread a little bit of our favorite mayonnaise on it. You could use sour cream if you like. And then we just sprinkled it with a little Parmesan cheese and a little Latin seafood seasoning to give it a great kick. Maybe add a little bit of hot sauce at the end and you have a wonderful, delicious side that'll go great with tacos or anything else that you're cooking. So remember, Florida has all kinds of safe, delicious, and nutritious stuff out there. So please stay healthy and cook and visit us at followfreshfromflorida.com.